We talked about water systems before. This one's ready for draining out. We put some white wine vinegar into the tank to sterilise it and descale it. I neglected to say how much to put in last time. 2 to 3 litres of white wine vinegar into a 75 to 100 litre tank of water is adequate. Run your boiler for about 10 minutes, turn it off, let it cool, run it again for about 10 minutes. If you can leave it overnight before you drain it out, all well and good, all the better. It gives the acid of the vinegar a chance to dissolve the lime scale and clean the system out. And then all you do is simply turn on the taps and run the water out. When it's drained, flush it through with some fresh water, jobs are good 'un. One more thing I should add is that the acid of the vinegar will dissolve the lime scale. See specks of lime scale here that are coming out of the system. And that's what it's all about really, cleaning and sterilising the system. The beauty of using vinegar is it's a foodstuff basically, so it's not harmful to us. Because it's an acid, it will dissolve the lime scale and clean the system out, and it's also a mild sterilising agent. So it'll clean it and freshen it, and you're all ready to go for a new season.